Hi, I'm Mike from Detroit Sponge, and I'm here today with Patrick to talk a little bit about one of the newest exciting products that's out there in the window cleaning market, the trad pole. That's short for traditional pole. So these are water-fed poles designed for water-fed, but they are being transferred over now and used in the window cleaning world for your regular traditional hand tools, your scrubbers, your squeegees. And it's been a real exciting thing in the market. There's a few different grades of them available. But Patrick, what do you say would be some of the more popular features of what made a difference for this in your world?
Yeah, so something like this for traditional poling, usually it's done with an aluminum pole. And I think what most people are starting to learn now that the rigidity and the stiffness in these poles, and they're significantly lighter than most aluminum poles. You can use it a few different ways. You can put your tools right over the tip here, or you can add any one of these tips. This is an Acme thread. So if you wanted to use it for other cleaning abilities too, as far as dust, high ceiling dusting, you could use it for that. I think another benefit as well is the collar locks. So when you get to this time of year in the winter months, it's cold. So a lot of the aluminum poles might freeze up. The collars don't want to twist and they don't want to lock. So I think it's a bonus of having these type of locks.
Well, I know you washed windows out there in the market for 22 years, so you got a lot of experience with the tools. And it's really neat to see some of these extra functions and features of the higher tech tools really affecting people's daily life.
Correct.
The wear and tear of the worker has to be a lot better. And then also, when it comes to having precise contact with the squeegee at the top, it's got to be a lot better with a pole that doesn't jiggle as much.
No, it's true, and it definitely helps significantly, even for detailing. If you have to apply a rag to the end of the pole tip to detail around the edges, you're not, working with a pole that's bending and swaying all over the place. You're not working with a pole that's a little bit more stiffer. So it's definitely easier, and it's definitely a lot less wear and tear on the body.
That's good.
And it can be more controlling if you want to fan a window as well.
That's good. Well, it is a physical job that you all are doing out there every day, and this tool will definitely help to make your work life longer and help you to have more energy at the end of the day. We are offering these poles in a full range where they go with different compositions. So you have an improved version here of the hybrid of the carbon and the fiberglass together. This is the Gardner CLX traditional pole, trad pole. Then you step up to the one that's 100% carbon fiber. That's the SLX from Gardner. And then the final one would be the high mod versions of these trad poles. This is one called the Simpole trad pole, and it is going to be the ultimate in stiffness and also lightweight. So feel free to check out all of these different poles on our website. We have a full selection there. Feel free to follow us on our Instagram and maybe check out some other videos on our YouTube channel as well.